What if we create our earthly experiences according to lessons sought by our souls? Imagine moving past the energies of judgment, fear, projection, and attachment that cause us spiritual pain. What if we could break through the illusion that we are separate from one another and the divine? Imagine releasing the concept of blame and healing emotional wounds and dissolving fear-based beliefs, giving birth to a new form of forgiveness in which there are no victims and no perpetrators. Only souls journeying together on the path to a greater wisdom and awareness. If this fires your imagination, then join Diane L. Ross and her special guest, Reverend Terri Daniel, for the evolution of forgiveness. You will have the opportunity to explore these concepts and more. Reverend Terri Daniel lives in California, is an author, clinical chaplain, and end-of-life educator certified in death, dying, and bereavement by the Association of Death Education and Counseling. Don't miss this healing and rewarding live event, Tuesday, February 27th at the Winter Park Library.